Well, good morning. It is a early Monday morning here in Alaska. I have the day off today. It is about 8 degrees outside. Already snowblowed the driveway and scooped the walkway. And now I'm going to get started on this countertop. So this is a real budget type of deal. What I'm doing here is keeping this old nasty top. It's got a Formica type cut coating on it. Wherever it's been fairly well bonded, I'm leaving it alone. I had to fill some holes in it here and there. This part was missing when we brought the camper home. It was the original stove and oven. So what I did is I brought this piece of plywood up level with this surface before I secured it, and that allowed me to have a continuous flush top. So what we're going to do, I was actually the whoever had this camper before put down this sticky flooring, plank flooring, and I'm okay with it. It looks decent, and it's in a couple other places that I don't want to even bother with. But I peeled this off, took it with me to the store, kind of stuck it together so that we could get an idea, and matched it up with brand new stuff. So I've been playing with all this a little bit, and it looks like the heat gun is my friend. We're going to try some techniques on this that I'm going to be inventing as we go. I bought, these were $1.97 a plank. Not bad. I picked up 11 of them. That's because 2 were stuck together, and I went to register and got ready to check out. And I said, he said, how many you have? I said, 10. And then of course we counted it up, and it was 11. So I have 11. And these are, 5-6 inches wide and 36 inches long. And what I'm looking to do here is actually curve this last one over the heat gun to make this work. So I think to do this right, I've got to create some offsets in we don't want all the seams to line up. I've done a lot of flooring in my house, and that's always the thing. Usually my wife is right here beside me, making sure that I don't put 2 of the same kind right next to each other, and yet somehow we still tend to put 2 of the same kind next to each other. So I think we got a good variety of them. I'm going to clean up here, scrape it, clean it, wipe it down with some acetone, and then going to start applying these planks. I'm going to get the heat gun. That's a poor man's custom built countertop, complete with curved edge. Let's take a look at the almost finished project. It's pretty bright. About 60 bucks on this. That is the original 1970 stainless steel sink. Just cleaned it up a little Scotch-Brite. That's our new stovetop. I have not hooked that up yet. Obviously still have to put this back together, build something in here, clean up the paneling, decide if I'm going to apply a stain over the paneling to change the color or what we're going to do. No decision on that just yet. But I'm very, very happy with this. Very fresh looking, very bright. Very, very bright. So tell me what you think. 60 bucks? Worth it? Who would have thought you could take this cheap flooring with a heat gun and turn it into a complete contoured edge, which was a bit tricky considering that the counter actually comes out right at this spot. So still got to do a little cleanup on it. But anyway, check it out. 60 bucks.